If you suddenly couldn't rely on tap water, would your family be prepared? Today, I want to show you a simple, portable device called the Smart Water Box, designed to give you access to fresh water on demand without plumbing, installation, or complicated tools. Most people assume clean water will always flow from the tap, but power outages, supply disruptions, and rising prices prove otherwise. More families are realizing they need a backup plan, not fear, but preparation. Smart Water Box is a compact atmospheric water generator, meaning it pulls humidity from the air around you and condenses it into clean, usable water. It's simple, portable, and works in most climates worldwide. Here's the basic idea. Moisture in the air touches a cooled surface, turns into droplets, and gets collected into a clean internal reservoir. It's the same natural process that creates morning dew, just controlled and optimized for your home. What makes it so different from expensive systems is that you don't build anything complex. There's no pipework, no drilling, and no installation crew. You just place it, turn it on, and it starts collecting water. Many people assume it only works in humid areas, but the internal design helps it condense moisture even in surprisingly dry environments. Families across deserts, mountains, and low humidity regions use this system every day. Use it at home, in an RV, while traveling, camping, or during power outages. It's a lightweight backup water source you can move anywhere, giving you flexibility instead of depending on one fragile supply. Families using Smart Water Box often notice fewer bottled water purchases and lower utility costs. Instead of paying for water, they generate it and reduce plastic waste at the same time. Smart Water Box is ideal for people who want water independence, rural households, off-grid living, travelers, campers, parents, or anyone who simply wants a reliable backup during emergencies. It's important to be clear. Smart Water Box is not a replacement for municipal water, filtration systems, or medical-grade purification. It's a supplemental, portable solution that helps you secure water when other sources fail. Users say they feel more prepared, more secure, and less dependent on local infrastructure. Many also appreciate having a clean, cool water supply without monthly fees or surprise utility bills. Every Smart Water Box purchase includes 3 special bonuses: guides designed to help you save money, prepare smarter, and get even more value from your system. They're digital, fast to access, and included at no cost. With rising water prices, more frequent outages, and unpredictable weather, families want something they can control. Smart Water Box gives you that, your own water source, right at home, with no installation barrier. And the best part? You're protected. You get a full 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it, use it, test it, and if it's not for you, simply ask for a refund. No risk, no pressure. Remember, this isn't about fear. It's about being ready. Smart Water Box gives your family a dependable water option, whether you're at home, off-grid, or dealing with unexpected emergencies. If you're ready to secure your own independent water source, click the official link below to learn more and see today's limited time offer. Smart Water Box is a simplicity-focused, supplemental device, not a substitute for medical-grade water treatment or professional systems. Review the details, explore the bonuses, and decide if it's the right step for your home.